Hello, in this video I want to show you how to download and install the program R. I Google for the letter R and I download it here. Download packages. I choose a location next to me, which is and I'm using Windows. I want to download the base distribution and I click here, download. Save, and I save it on the desktop. This takes a while. I can cut this out later, but I won't do it. I have time. We can take a look at the homepage. The homepage is very simple. Here's the documentation, manuals. This is interesting. Here's an introduction to R. You can get this as HTML or PDF. This is very very recommended to read. It's very good. So the download is finished. And this is a file we just downloaded. It's 40 megabyte. Okay, I double click on it. Yes. Okay. Yes. 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 And here you choose your operating system, if it's using 32-bit or 64. I'm using 64-bit. Don't need the manuals, don't need that. Next. 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 Okay, finish. Then you have set icon, and this is what it looks like after you start it. Now I close it, and it creates a working directory when you use it later. So here's just a tip for you. Under Windows, it will create it just here. The files will be just here. So I create a directory R. Then I click on the icon with right click, properties, and this is where it is executed in. This means executed in, and here's the path. And I want it to be executed not here, and the files should not be here. They should be in the folder R. It's not necessary to do that, but it's it looks much better here. Okay, you don't need to do that, but it's better. Okay, then you have it, and I will just show you one thing. This is a variable, and I fill it with a vector that consists of the integers 1, 3 and 7, and I want to see it, and it contains the integers 1, 3 and 7. I will explain it in the next video, but just to show you, when I close it, this is a workspace. Yeah, I want to save that, and to show you where my workspace is, it's when a computer, see user, I'm user admin on this account, your own documents, and this is where I created it, the folder R, and here is its history, and this is the workspace. And it's again, when I click on the icon, properties, executed in, and this is the path where it is, so you can change it however you want it. Oh, and just one more thing I want to mention: you can change the language of the program. You right click on the start icon, properties, and here you add language EN, then the menu and the program is in English.